Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Well, this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be breaking the music down. We're going to be heading down to the beach for some runnings. All my great friends on there. Get yourselves ready. And we're going to be having more exercise.
Yeah, man. You're right, per se? Alright, that's good. Attention, Jamaican policemen. Jamaican police. This is naked area. Please get naked now. Police control. Policemen. Jamaican policemen. Attention, gentlemen in the water. Gentlemen in the water. No pee-pee in the ocean. No pee-pee. Police control. Policemen. Jamaican policemen. Remember, no smoke cigarette. No cigarette. Only weed. Only weed. Police control. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
We're doing a scavenger hunt.
Thank you. Tomorrow? No, next Tuesday, once a week. Right?
Yeah, that's a show.
You filming me?
Yes, Miguel.
Thank you. So, a photo?
Yeah.
Alright, come with me. Come and have a photo with me. Don't worry. Hi, everybody. You guys feel safe? My name is Captain John Sexy. I'm here that you guys feel safe. Don't worry. I'm U.S. Army. You guys, right? You understand? Oh. Thank you. Alright, ready? Sir.